Apologies for the late response, or the age it took to prepare the video. My machine crashed and I got interrupted, so got distracted. So for everyone else, this is a response to Rean on I hope I'm pronouncing your name right, on Twitter, about a chart you sent me. US CAD 5-minute chart here. You can't see the RSI histo at the bottom, but entered on a break and close, bust break and close, 30-minute 3-candle reversal. So I'll go to my chart now. This is the 3-candle reversal. So what I didn't mention in the chat was that the stop was also in the wrong position. You got into the trade too close to the end of the hour, and I don't mention that enough. So I really appreciate you sending me this chart, your chart with the stop out, because I need to reiterate where the stop needed to be. Now, if you can think about this, I think it will probably help enormously. Is that is the 30-minute penultimate candle. That's the ultimate high, penultimate high, ultimate high, and swing 3 is always the candle that breaks, or candle 3 is always the candle that breaks the low of the penultimate high. So I can zoom in. By the way, this was a very good looking trade. Broken a ascending trend line. Nice trend down, entering back into the trend, clear area of support. So perfect approach to the trade. Clearly see that all that support and resistance there. Here's the support, broke and came up and then tested it again. So strong area of buyers and sellers there. But getting back to this trade now, the 3-candle reversal. Remember, this is a 5-minute trend here, which is part of a much longer trend and considerably stronger 3-candle reversal. I'm sure you saw that anyway, but that's the H1 reversal level there. What we had going on here was, this is candle 1, so this is swing 1. Well, this is 1, 2 and 3, should I say, candles, 3 different candles, but this is the ultimate high. And my mentor, bearing in mind we were always talking about the swing trades, so we'll look at the 5-minute chart now. I was always taught to put the stop above 1, above the ultimate high, much the same as if this was a 2B reversal here and you're entering to go long. Vic Sperandio also talks about putting the stop below there, or in this sort of 2B formation here, put the stop up there as well. So, but they're longer term traders, aggressive traders, and what I suggest, and I've also put this on the chart that is on Twitter and I keep retweeting it, so I suggest anyone watching this just dig that out. I'll retweet it again later, and save it to your desktop so that you can look at it. So what that means is swing 2 is where I suggest you put your stop, and swing 2 on this 3-candle reversal, sorry, keep jumping about, is the high of that candle. Can't really see it there. Swing 1 is the swing, the low, the high to the low of the first candle, or our ultimate high, or in the opposite direction, the ultimate low. Swing 2 is the pullback. Swing 3 we know is our close and a break and close of the penultimate low. Okay, you know that. Swing 1, 2, 3. The point I'm making there is that if you had little candles in between here, they don't count in the swings. They do not count in the song, if you like, the mantra. It's always 3 that breaks the low of the penultimate candle, or vice versa for longs. So the stop should have been above here. Swing 1, 2, 3. This is the pullback 4. This is your continuation. Okay, this, what I talked about in the private message, was the London Open games. This pink line is the London Open, 8 AM. And what happened was, as I mentioned in the chat, you entered late in the hour. And as we know, when we have an hourly close, in this case it was also a break of massive support here, we get a pullback. Almost, you can almost excuse me, rely on it. And there's the monster pullback. It was a nasty, unfortunate timing of the entry, but remember what I do also sometimes in the London Open is that 15-minute Billy breakout bar. Let's just double check. Yeah, that's the one. That bar there that they draw the levels on, or I put that daily line box on there, is what Billy trades. He makes his daily money on. As such, we know this bar here, this 15-minute candle, the 8 o'clock to 8:15 candle, has to form a range. It has to move. So getting in just before that, you're going to get a rough ride. It might go down and hit your target, wherever that may be, or you're going to get, possibly, because this bar, he doesn't trade it if it's over 20 pips, I think, the range. So this bar can be, anything. I think this morning it was about 8 or 9 pips on cable. Remember, we're not looking at cable. It can be a big 15, 20, 30 pip move. The big boys are just earning their bonuses. They're piling in on dollar related pairs, and in particular cable, because that's what Billy trades. That's why it's always wise to keep one eye on the clock. You do not want to be entering at the close of a candle, whether it be a 15-minute, 30-minute, or an hourly candle, because you are likely to get pullback. And as I've said in the past, try not to be be in trades at the close of the hour as well. If you're waiting for 5 pips of a 15 pip trade and it's coming up to 7.55, close it, get out, because you're just gambling. Okay, sorry to go off on a tangent, but this is sort of the point of this video is to give you your answer, Rean, and also remind, it's my fault, I forget to mention these little things that I always have in the back of my mind. Closes of 15-minute, 30-minute, and especially hourly candles will cause movement, potential pullbacks, because if you break a level of support or resistance with a 15-minute candle, especially with a 3-candle reversal, what do we know we should expect? A potential pullback. Same for the 30-minute, a pullback. That's what swing 4 is. An hourly, pullback. 4 hourly, pullback. People have 2 hours, 3 hours and whatnot on their charts as well. So all of them relate to the hourly closes, potentially changing direction. Okay, so hopefully, Rean, we've covered what the problem was. Stop was placed in the wrong spot. You always go by the 3-candle reversal that initiates the trade for your stops. In this case, the 30-minute, and be watchful of where you are in relation to the candle closes. But otherwise, it was just massively unfortunate. But that's what we're here to do, is limit the risk in every way possible, in my opinion. So thanks guys for watching, and have a lovely Christmas if I don't make another video. Bye for now.